Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new earning website where you can earn dollar without deposit on this website. Can you want Would you like that a website will give you $25 for investment and they will give you also to $0.25 for every referral, and you can see my withdrawal 2.66 and my balance is 7.7275. My total investment is $725. These $25 give me from this website. Now I am going to show you how you can log in on this website and how you can get this dollar, and how you can invest on this website, and how you can make your team to earn a lot of profit from this website. The first question is that how you can reach here. I will provide you link in the description. You have to click on it and you will reach here without wasting any time. After come here, you can see here you can get $25 sign up bonus, and you will promote this website until 28 October 10. Now I am going to show you how you can sign up on this website. Click on sign up button, and here just you need to put your full name and nickname, put your email at two places and put your password at two places. Then fill up this captcha, accept user agreement and click on registration. I have already account. Now I am going to log in on this website. I am going to fill up this captcha and authorization. When you sign up on this website, you will get $25 at this place. Now I am going to show you how you can invest these $25. Start investing, click here and you will go here. Open from investment balance and open from bonus balance. You just need to click on here and then click on pay now. You will pay on this website. You will receive every day $0.8. You will end up to $45, and you see here every 2 hours 0.266%, plan 3.2% daily. Now I am going to show you how you can check your investment on this platform. You can see here my investment plans is $25, which I got from this website. I invest on this website. Transaction history, withdrawal funds. I have not taken any withdrawal from this website because the withdrawal is about to $10 on this website. When I earned $3, you can see my withdrawal balance is 2.36. When I took here minimum $10, then I will take my withdrawal on this website. Now I am going to show you how you can promote this website and how you can make your team on this website to take your withdrawal easily, and how you can go to your wallet address. Here you have to share this link with your friend, with your family members as much as you can. Other people join this website by click your link. You will get another bonus balance. Then when you have $25 here, then you just need to invest your $20 here. Then you got more and more withdrawal balance on this website on daily basis. Hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, then give me thumb button and provide me your valuable comments in the comment section. I will bring more video for all of you. Please subscribe my channel if you want more video in future.